Today, I want to be talking about the 4 best airdrops to go and earn for 2026. So do not miss out. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we jump straight into the first one. And the first one is Gravity. Now, as you know, 2026 is going to be the year of perpetual decks. There is no doubt about it. And you can start with only 10, 20, $30, and I would encourage you to do so. And one way that you can also start with this one free that I offer you is you can come and join over on my Telegram, free to join. And as we see here, we share profit, all the profit that I do with the codes that I share, profit wins. As we see here, more signals, everything is for free. The link will be down below. Make sure to come and join. And if you do like it and if you do utilize it, the only thing I ask is if you can use my links to go and participate in all of these perpetual decks, because that really helps and is free for you. I'm not asking for any money. But talking about the airdrops, then the perpetual decks, in my opinion, are the best one. And taking in consideration the DeFi Llama information that we have right here, there are 3 or 4 airdrops that I want to talk about. The first one is Gravity. Now, you know, I absolutely love Gravity. We've been talking about Gravity for years. I've been a long time supporters, and yes, I have position over open over here on Gravity. I am earning points. Here is the Gravity airdrop. They are releasing point, and the airdrop, the one that is mostly talked about, is coming about March or April, and you're absolutely still in time to do it. Why? First of all, you got a 5x multiplier on the trades of the altcoins, and only they just released yesterday's point for this week. There's only 15,000 people, absolutely nothing. And we can see here on DeFi Llama, it is actually trading at number 6, swapping between Trader X and Gravity at number 5. And the volume is really growing and really good, and this is why I do hope for it, and I do think that it's gonna be absolutely great. You're probably already part of it. Make sure to go and trade over here, because this is a super important airdrop in my opinion. And as we see here, I got the points, I got the overall ranking, and let me know your ranking as well down in the comments below. Next up, we have that we see here on the screen, we have Dreamcash. Now Dreamcash, why is it important? Because if we go over here to Twitter, throughout I will show you the video of the dream cache and how it works. But the nice thing about it is this one. So dream cache is actually native hyperliquid trading on mobile. So by trading on Dreamcash, you're getting the Dreamcash airdrop because they do have a point system. You're getting the Hyperliquid Season 2 airdrops because you connect your Hyperliquid account. And I know you have a Hyperliquid account. Everybody does it. So go and sign up to Dreamcash. The link will be down below. Make sure to use my code, please, for supporting me. But the native Hyperliquid trading on mobile means you're getting Dreamcash, you're getting the Hyperliquid Season 2, and you can trade HIP3 over on Dreamcash via your Hyperliquid. So it's an all-in-one, absolutely beautiful airdrop, and I really recommend you. As well, talking about the mobile trading, Gravity also has a mobile app that you can go and utilize, which you simply find it either on the Apple Store or on the Google Play Store, and I think it's really important to go and test it out, test the features. You have many different features as well. The next one, looking at the DeFi Llama over here ecosystem. Now, we see Gravity, which is the biggest one that can get you the most return and is way less underfarmed than any of the one that we talk here. We have Dreamcash, which is rising really nice, that we just talked about. As you see here, it is really nicely trading and really nicely growing, as we see here with the perpetual volume. The other one that we see here are Pacifica, which stands at number 13 behind Dreamcast. So Dreamcast is really pushing well, and Pacifica has a nice steady trading volume. I have, as we see here, 17,000 points. Let me know your total points down below. I do have, as we see here, a couple of dollars in the account, which I do take in and out every time I go and take some profit. And I will leave you the link down below. Now, this one, why would I suggest you this one? Because this one is on Solana. This is a completely different one. On Gravity, it's over on Arbitrum, and you deposit money from Arbitrum. Dreamcash as well is kind of like Arbitrum, but you deposit money from your Hyperliquid account, which, by the way, super interesting. On Pacifica, I know a lot of you trade on Solana or used to trade on Solana. You could have some dollars on Solana. And my opinion would be to go and, as we see here, for example, if we go and deposit, we can deposit Solana or it's USDC, as we see here. And also over on Solana, we do have some money. So we also gonna go and open a trade here because I do wanna go and put a little bit more. As we see here, I got $14 over on Solana. So let's go and switch this $14 to the USDC, and let's get let's go for, I just want to do $10, about $10 to $11. So let's go over here. We get about $11, and we're gonna do the conversion right here, and now we're gonna go and deposit this one over on the Pacifica one, which, by the way, this process of depositing funds on Pacifica, on Gravity, or anybody, is absolutely easy to go and do. The other one that you can go and farm over on Solana ecosystem is Jupiter. Jupiter as well is going to have the next airdrop, and they are pushing a lot with the perpetual trading as well. So I will leave the link down below as well. If you got like 20 bucks, go and put 10 over here on Pacifica, go and put 10 over on Jupiter, and trade a little bit of everything, or simply put your first 10 $20 on Pacifica, trade on Pacifica, make the profit, split the profit, and bring it to Jupiter. But these are the four airdrops. Gravity and Dreamcash are the two most hyped up in one opinion, and Dreamcash because of the hyperliquid situation being native to them. It's absolutely, I think it's a no-brainer to go and do it. If you got money on Solana, these are the two, Jupiter and Pacifica. Which one would I recommend trading on? I think Pacifica. Why? Because it's way less underfarmed for sure than what Jupiter is, because Jupiter has a lot of people. So I would say stick to Pacifica in my opinion, but that is what I think. So now as we see here, we should having $10 if I'm not mistaken, and we simply are gonna go and open a Ethereum 15x leverage at the, yeah, let's go and do $10 on the 16x leverage. Over here we got about, I want to put only $10. I don't want to put the whole 59. So let's go and put it right here. How do we do it? Anyway, I'm gonna go and do it now. I don't want to waste your time, but make sure to go and do it. The links will be down below. If you do support me, thank you very much with your referral links. Appreciate it, and see you tomorrow. Ciao guys.